You may or may not see a calendar here already. If we built your website with a booking system, your calendar shows up here. If not, click Go to Calendar Settings to create your first one. There are a few options. You have your calendars, and you can group calendars together. There are service calendars if you have a service menu, room rentals if your business rents out rooms, and equipment rentals if you rent out equipment. For this video, we will create a simple calendar. Click New Calendar, and here are the types you can create. A simple calendar, the common one for normal bookings. Round Robin, which shares bookings across your team if you have staff using the system. Class bookings, say you are a fitness instructor and you want 20 people to book the same 1 hour slot for a class. And collective bookings, for meetings with several team members at once, good for sales calls, support, or interviews. We will pick a simple calendar, name it, let us call it bookings, and give it a booking link, something like bookings, then your business name. Set the meeting duration. You can do 30 minutes, an hour, however long you want, we will do 30 minutes. Choose the days people can book. Let us do Monday to Friday, from 9 in the morning to 5 in the evening. Then set the meeting location, a physical address if it is in person, or a Zoom link if it is a video call, and join the meeting right there. Now, click Advanced Settings to configure more. You can add a calendar logo, a description, and put the calendar into a group if you made one. You can change the color and how it shows, the meeting title, all of that. Go to availability and set specific days. Say you want Mondays from 11 to 5. You adjust just that day. You can make it a recurring meeting if it happens every week. Then set your meeting intervals and duration and a minimum scheduling notice. Say you do not want same day bookings. So set 1 day. People can book from tomorrow onwards, which gives you time to prepare. Set a date range. Say people book up to 14 days ahead, but no further. Set a maximum number of bookings per day, say 10. And bookings per slot, say you want 2 people in the same slot. Add buffer time before and after each appointment. So if you start early or finish late, you have breathing room. Then go to the top and click Save. Next, forms and payments, which opens by default. Whenever someone books, it asks for their name, email, and phone number. You can add your own custom forms here. We will show you how to build forms in a later video, or just use the default one. You can add guests and set a thank you message that sends after they book. You can add a Facebook pixel if you run Facebook ads. Then switch to notifications. You can send a confirmation to the contact, and you can have an email sent to yourself whenever someone books. Just put your email in here so you get notified. You can let people reschedule or cancel their meeting, and let Google Calendar send the invitations. Then save these settings. Then it takes you to connections, where you link your Google Calendar. If you have connected your Google already, your calendars show up here. Once linked, your GrowUp calendar syncs both ways with Google. So anything booked on Google shows here, and anything booked here shows on Google. And lastly, customizations. If you are putting this calendar on your website or a funnel, you can change its style and color to match. Then save your settings and close out. Now that the calendar is created, let me show you what it looks like. click the three dots, click share, and copy the scheduling link. You send this link to people so they can book their own appointments with you. Open it, and this is what they see. They pick a date, pick a time, put in their name, phone, and email, add any notes, confirm, and schedule the meeting. And you can also add this calendar straight onto your funnels and website inside GrowUp, so people book right from there. We cover how to do that in the website and funnel videos. That is your calendar setup.